What's up guys, today we're back with another video and I'm going to teach you all the stock market terminology you need to know. Now for a lot of people, beginners or not, there's a lot of different terms that people use for the stock market and it can all get a bit confusing, especially if you're just getting started. So, to help everybody today, I'm going to be going over some of the most important terms to know to make things a little easier when it comes to investing. Starting things off with the first term is ticker symbol. Ticker symbol is what a stock is called in the stock market. For example, I own Microsoft, and Microsoft's ticker symbol is MSFT. Ticker symbols are used to abbreviate stocks in the market and make it easier for people to talk about stocks. Now, they are always capital case letters and either 3, 4, or 5 letter abbreviations. The next two terms are very similar but mean completely opposite things. I posted about these two terms the other day on my Instagram page, so if you don't follow that, make sure you do so. I post about all types of financial things, so to follow that, the link will be in the description. Those two terms are a bull and a bear market. A bull market refers to when the market is on the up and is going well and buying is encouraged. A bear market is the complete opposite and is when the market is already going down and many fear buying, which is completely wrong. But lucky for you, I have a video out already explaining how to make killer profits during a bear market, so go check that out in the top right corner. Another term that many people don't completely understand is the reports. There are many different reports that come out, but the two that I'll be focusing on are the annual reports and quarterly reports. Those two reports are extremely important in understanding the direction the company is trending towards and what the future will look like. Starting with the annual report. This is a report that comes out once a year and reveals much of the company's overview, financials, director's report, chairperson's statement, along with much more. These are extremely beneficial to listen into, and I highly recommend listening to the most recent one if you're interested in purchasing a stock. The quarterly report is a report that is released 4 times a year at the end of each quarter for the company. Each company has different times when their quarters end, so each week different companies will report. This report covers updates on income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. This is extremely important knowing the company will meet their yearly goals, seeing if they're making a profit, and understanding how the company is running compared to the previous year. On to the next term, which is one of the most important terms in my opinion, which is averaging down. Averaging down is when the stock you own is below the average price at which you own it at, and you buy more to bring the stock down. I see way too many times when this happens to people that they either 1. Freak out about that their stock is down and sell it, or 2. They don't continue to add to their position, which causes them to miss out on insane earnings. Right now, we're going through a time in the market when there is an immense opportunity to average down, so be on the lookout and don't miss out on this. The final term today is IPO, or initial public offering. This is a stock that goes public on the stock market, and it becomes an IPO the day it becomes available. The most popular IPO this year has been Beyond Meat, or ticker symbol BYND, that had hundreds of % gains since its initial release. Almost every company that goes IPO starts out with a loss in profit, as it is hard to go public, but over time, a majority of companies are able to turn that around and make a profit. That wraps up the list of terms to know. If this was helpful, make sure you drop a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you'd like to see another one of these videos with more terms, make sure you let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.